I'm Derek with MobileCentrics. This is the first of many videos where I will be showcasing different products that we sell. If there are any particular tools or equipment that you'd like to see from our website in a future video, then comment them below. The three main tools I'll be showing in this video are the X365 by FindX, which is a rotating cooling base for PCB and motherboard repair, the PPD120 for the iPhones before the 10, and the PPD120 for the iPhones 10 through XS Max. Just look how easy it is to lift up the shield. And it takes the SIM card tray off with ease. Also being able to scrape the underfill without having to use a heat gun. The temperature control feature allows you to not potentially overheat the CPU during removal. This allows you to wick it without basically pulling any pads. Alright, we're starting to get movement. Now we gotta pick it up. Let me know in the comments if you want to see how I go about reballing the sandwich boards, or my recommendations on how to separate them and put them back together without struggle. This cooling base is awesome, allowing you to set a hot board down knowing that it's going to cool a lot quicker without cooling too fast. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. You can find these tools at mobilecentrics.com.